Hello and welcome. I hope you are ready to burn your belly fat away. So, there are going to be 8 exercises with 2 rounds, 30 seconds of work, and 10 seconds of rest in between each exercise. So, let's get into it. First exercise is crunches. Lift your upper body up and try to reach for your feet and squeeze your core. And make sure you have a cushioned mat so that you don't hurt your lower back. Next exercise is 90-degree crunch. Make a 90-degree angle with your feet up and try to keep your toes straight and start crunching. Now the third exercise is a crunch and a hip up. It's a really good exercise for your lower back as well while working for you. Here try to squeeze your hip muscles at the top. In the next exercise, you need to make a hollow shape and then try to bring your knees to your chest and then repeating the same. Fifth exercise is mountain climber. It is a slow movement exercise. Try bringing your knees to your chest slowly and squeezing at the top. It's not a cardio abs workout, so you need to go slow here. As you can see, the focus here is to squeeze your abs at the top, which is the most important part of this exercise. Next exercise is lying leg raises. You can place your hands underneath your glutes to support your lower back and try to lift your leg up and down. But the lower your feet are, the more muscles you are going to engage. Next exercise is scissors, a very common exercise but quite effective. So bring your chest up and lift your feet a little above the ground and slowly scissor your legs. Next exercise is a plank. Place your forearms on the floor with your elbows aligned below shoulders, keeping your legs and core muscles tight, and hold. Now it's time for a short break. At this point, you can have a little bit of water if you need, and also you can stretch your body like I'm doing. Stretching is a great exercise which helps in reducing body fat. Okay, let's start again with the crunches. Try a little harder than the last time because you did it once and you can definitely do it again, but better. And try to do this workout twice a week and you will definitely see great results. And yes, diet is important. This 10 seconds goes so quickly, as you can see. Okay, so we are at the end of our workout. Let's plank again. Keep pushing. So that's it. If you enjoyed this workout, comment below and give it a like. Time to go. Till then, see you next time.